Morning everybody, with the picker in chief, Mr. Z here this morning. We're gonna pick some oranges from the Rancho Valencia orange tree and do some fresh squeezed orange juice today. How about that? This is the beautiful Valencia orange tree. So let's get in there and a little squeeze, make sure they're a little soft. And we'll see you guys inside. The picker in chief's got them all right there. Using the Eurolux, which does a great job, and I got a picture that has a sealing top on it.
Go, hey, we're trying the OJ. We just picked it. Woohoo! Just like my shirt. So, gonna give it a shot. Valencia oranges, right off the tree, right here. That's perfect.
Super fresh.
A little pulpy, just a little pulpy, sweet and sour.
There we go.